course. Of course. It'll work. It ain't gonna flop.
Or they're not gonna flop. We'll just come this way.
Come on, baby brother.
Man.
He's the baby brother.
Oh, that's Miko?
That's Miko over there.
I'll be 50 years old. They'll still coming, Miko. So today's my birthday.
It's my birthday. I'm 37 years old.
I'm 28. 29.
29.
I'm 29.
And I'm 25 and 3/4.
My name's Zach. I just turned 29 years old today. I love plumbing. And I love Ream 125,000 BTU furnaces.
We're gonna change out this furnace right here and put us a new furnace in for this customer due to this crazy little smart valve here that's a pain in the butt when they go out. So the customer's opted to upgrade it. So she wanted to go with the Ream because she likes Ream. So we're gonna do that. But I hope we can, because as you can tell, the good Lord has blessed us with some rain. So we'll see how it goes. The majestic plumber working on the HVAC. Let's see how he does. Let's see how this happens. Get out of here. Look, as the plumber tries to disconnect the vent. Majestic. Look at it. Oh, there you almost got it. There he goes. Stay hard, bud. Let's go. Ah, majestic. Oh my God. That's why you need to have your heater service, folks. Good old country living right there. Woo! It's been a while since we've done an HVAC.
Why don't you pump it down while you got a window?
Sir?
Pump it down.
Yes, sir. I'm fixing this. And there he is, the majestic plumber. That's all right. Super Tech's here to make sure he gets it done right.
This ain't no little pump. This is.
Is that your arm?
No, that was a furnace. What I do with my hands? Oh, this right here is what separates us from a lot of other companies.
No matter the brand, they all come this way. See this? That's out of factory. You see all that? Not glued. And that's out. They all come. No matter Train, Ream, whatever. They all come the same. So just give a little effort. Put some silicone. Save your customer the headache from that coming loose, getting stuck in the evap coil, and there you are pulling a coil. So just put your little bead there, and we'll silicone her back. Just like that. Same thing on this side. And that's straight from the factory.
Separates the men from the boys.
Get it? It's rubberized right there. Look at that. That's nice. That means less vibration to cut your wire, and it's all encapsulated there. Nice.
That means less potential callbacks.
Yeah,
We're looking out for the service tech.
And this, like before, the old school reams, they were hardwired in, but now look at that. Yeah, nice. I'm impressed. Very impressed.
But like, look where the cap is too.
Yeah, it's not back here. Oh, I check your cap. Cap's up here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
25,000 BTUs of burner, which means it's 125. Nice. And what we just did there, we pulled out the old natural gas orifices and we just converted it to propane. And then we got to change a little deal spring in here, and we'll put a sticker on there, and it'll be ready for use for propane. There's no natural gas out in the country, only propane. Right? Yep. Mr. Paint Kill?
And propane accessory.
Propane. Here, it looks like a frosty up there. And always hard pipe out of that furnace, ain't that right? That's national code. Looks trashy when guys don't take the time. You know, in the country, you're not gonna get inspected or whatever. I'll just run a flex to it. No, we're gonna do it right, because if you get sloppy, you're gonna get sloppy out there, and it's gonna come back and bite you. Yep. Hard pipe it out with the drip leg, just like that. Put our propane sticker on here. Here's our propane sticker. Oh God.
That's the same valve that American Standard had.
Beep, 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 beep.
You know that?
LP gas, baby. Ready to go. And then here recently we were approached by a company selling these Bosch blades. He's like, oh man, these Bosch blades are the best, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, dude, whatever. If you want me to try it, send me some. Danged if you didn't send me some. And they worked good on pipe, on metal pipe. Now I'm gonna cut it on wood, but the edge Bosch blade, I've been impressed. I was like, if we can beat a Diablo, I'll take it. And what are they cutting all the pipe with on the Atmos stuff? These now. So, Diablo. You might want to send me some blades, see if they can beat them, because Bosch has got the number now.
Brandon Flores said that that Bosch blade didn't skip a beat.
He said he used the same blade all day.
All day long.
Didn't have to change the blade out.
Yep.
So
One blade.
we need to get a video on that. But now I'm going to use their wood one to cut some woods real quick. So, just like cheese. I'm already through. Just like cheese. Now let's see if we can start one. Uh-oh. I think Diablo's in trouble. We started us a new valve, new flex, drip leg for this furnace. Now I'm about to tie the electrical in. I already got the low voltage connected. And get a new filter in this base, and we're about to fire up and give it a test run.
You need to fix your truck.
Yeah.
If you're on call, you need to get your butt to the shop. And you need to like organize this. This is ridiculous.
You're gonna tell me to do my job.
This is like... There's nothing in here.
Huh?
There's like nothing in here.
I mean, to you, I can outwork you out of this truck any day of the week, little boy. There it is. New furnace is up and running, so I think the customer's gonna be happy. We got rain, now we got lightning and thunder, so we're ready to wrap up and get out of here. So see y'all next time. And it's Zach's birthday, so make sure to tell Zach happy birthday in the video.
Thank you.
He is dirty one.